What happens when Dodge takes one of America's favorite performance SUVs and pushes it even further? Meet the all-new 2027 Dodge Durango SRT, a bold machine that continues the brand's legacy of muscle, power, and aggressive styling. If you're a fan of high-performance SUVs that can haul the family while delivering serious thrills, you're going to want to see what Dodge has in store. At first glance, the 2027 Durango SRT makes a powerful statement. The front fascia looks sharper and more intimidating than ever, featuring a larger grille, redesigned LED headlights, and an even more aggressive bumper design. The sculpted hood includes functional air vents that not only improve cooling, but also enhance the SUV's muscular appearance. Along the sides, you'll notice wider fenders, larger performance wheels, and sleek body lines that give the Durango a planted and athletic stance. Around the rear, updated taillights, quad exhaust outlets, and a redesigned spoiler complete the performance-focused look. Every angle of the new Durango SRT reminds you that this is not an ordinary family SUV. Step inside, and the cabin delivers a premium experience that blends comfort with performance. High-quality materials cover nearly every surface, including leather, suede, and carbon fiber accents. The redesigned dashboard features a larger infotainment display with faster response times and improved graphics. Drivers will appreciate the fully digital instrument cluster, which offers customizable performance data and vehicle information. Heated and ventilated sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving, while second and third row passengers still enjoy generous space and comfort. Dodge has also enhanced the technology package with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium audio system, and multiple USB-C charging ports throughout the cabin. Whether you're heading to work or embarking on a long road trip, the Durango SRT offers the practicality and convenience expected from a modern SUV. Of course, the real excitement begins when you press the start button. The 2027 Dodge Durango SRT is expected to continue its reputation as one of the most powerful SUVs in its class. While official specifications may vary depending on the final production model, reports suggest that Dodge is preparing an upgraded performance powertrain capable of delivering well over 500 horsepower. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and a performance-tuned suspension, the Durango SRT promises exceptional acceleration and handling. Drivers can expect multiple drive modes that adjust throttle response, steering feel, transmission behavior, and suspension settings. Launch control and advanced traction management systems help maximize performance, both on the street and at the track. Despite its size, the Durango SRT remains surprisingly agile, offering a driving experience that few competitors can match. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also received significant upgrades. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system help make daily driving safer and more convenient. Dodge understands that performance should never come at the expense of confidence behind the wheel. As for pricing, industry experts expect the 2027 Dodge Durango SRT to start somewhere around the mid-$70,000 range, with higher performance trims and optional packages potentially pushing the price beyond $90,000. While that may sound expensive, buyers will be getting a unique combination of muscle car performance, SUV practicality, advanced technology, and unmistakable Dodge character. The 2027 Dodge Durango SRT proves that performance SUVs are far from boring. With aggressive styling, a refined interior, powerful performance, and modern technology, it continues to stand out in a crowded market. If Dodge delivers everything enthusiasts are hoping for, this could easily become one of the most exciting performance SUVs of the year. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the 2027 Dodge Durango SRT would earn a spot in your garage.